We had a struggle with life when we were younger. That we slept on the carpet of like some family members and stuff. Wasn't for too long, but it was always a big struggle when we were young. Like, it's 12 hours in the big cage, like, you're not gonna die, you know what I mean? I lived homeless, I was here, I was there. So for me, being in a cage for 12 hours, getting fed, it's the high life. Kellna babysitters u hekk, mhux xorta kont nagħmel kważi kollox jien. I would feed him, change his nappies, you know, stuff like this. I think COVID was like the worst ever thing to happen in my life, to be honest with you. Out of everything. Tlift il-ħanut, tlift l-arrusa li kelli, tlift l-appartament, tlift ċertu nies, ċertu ħbieb. So kont nitlef mija, rrit niprofa nġib dak il-mija l-ura. Mbagħad nitlef, mbagħad inkompli sejjerek, like it was a vicious cycle that attacks your nervous system. So I was diagnosed with that.
Jay Vella, il-mistieden li jmiss fuq kellimni. Min nhar it-tnejn li ġej, segwi mit-8.